Today I'll be working on a 2014 Chevrolet Express G3500.
The truth.
This does have the 6.6 liter Duramax diesel in it. And we're going to be putting in a new engine air filter. First things first, we're going to go ahead and pop our hood. Once you got the hood open, go ahead and take your screwdriver. And there's going to be 3 screws you're going to be taking off. There's one right here, one right there, and one right there. And that will separate our top half of our air filter box from the bottom half. Now that we got those taken off, we're just going to go ahead and lift it up. And there's our old air filter. Now to remove it, just going to kind of get my fingers back up in here, pry it out, and then we can go ahead and lift it all the way out of the vehicle. This is the part number for the Wix air filter that I picked up from my local auto parts store. Here's a quick side-by-side with our old one and our new one. You can see the discoloration with the old one. It's been in there for quite a while. I'm just going to go ahead and wipe out the leaves and dirt and stuff that's up in here. Or get a wet paper towel and just clean it out pretty good. But just want to get that out of the way before we put our new filter in. Now putting it back in, it's pretty much the reverse order. Just going to kind of set it in here and press it evenly into place. And we're just kind of seat along the back here. Then we can go ahead and take our cover, put it right back on top, and next we'll start screwing it back down. Now you don't have to get these super tight, just snug them down pretty good with your screwdriver. It's as easy as that. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try and answer them as soon as I can. If you enjoyed the background music that's in the video, please check out the artist's SoundCloud. Link is in the description.